To add a card for your YouTube video, the cards are those links that pop up in the top right corner of your video. Go to the video details view for the video that you want to add it for. Scroll down a bit until you see on the bottom right here, this thing that says cards. Click on that. And then what you can do is you can add a card for a video, for a playlist, a channel, or a link. A link would be an external website. And so whatever you want to add, you can only add one. Click on the plus button. So let's say that in my video, I mention another video. I say, hey, if you want to learn about video filters in CapCut, click on this video next. So right at the part where I say that, I can add this video, this add filters one, and I can move it. It added this little wedge looking thing to my timeline down here. And these top numbers here are where in the video it is. So from 0 seconds all the way up to 44 seconds. And I could slide this until that exact point where I said, be sure to click on this video next. And then it adds it up here in the top right. And I could change the message that it says. So I could say CapCut filters video, something like that. And I can put that in the teaser text as well. And that's what's going to show right here. So you can see it now says CapCut filters video. And so when the viewer reaches that point in the video, it's going to display that card for a few seconds. And if instead I wanted to add a playlist or something, I could once again click on the plus button, plus card, click on a playlist, and choose a playlist like so. So you can add multiple cards by just clicking on that plus button and then scattering them wherever you want throughout your video. And when you're all done, you've got your card set where you want, hit the save button, and your viewers will now see that card when they watch your video.